Featuring advanced in-shop calibration functionality and mobilized versatility, the Autel IA700 is the industry's first modular ADAS solution. High-definition 3D cameras deliver accuracy within 0.02 degrees of factory specs, ensuring precise calibration every time. Fully optical target placement and a robotic crossbar eliminate mechanical measurements and make setup 6 times faster. Unlevel floor compensation eliminates failed calibrations due to uneven flooring. Powered by an Autel MA600 tablet, the IA700 delivers industry-leading diagnostics and integrated wheel alignment pre-check. Visual guidance and step-by-step instructions that meet or even enhance OEM source specs and procedures increase accuracy and shop efficiency. More than just great hardware and software, Autel boasts the best vehicle coverage in the industry while offering scalable ADAS target packages from LDW to all systems. Detachable crossbars minimize the in-shop storage footprint, allowing for a more organized and efficient workspace. Disassembles in less than a minute for easy transport. The Autel MA600 IA700, advanced ADAS in a single compact system and workflow.